in both, and more of my voice in my mouth. Thank you. Okay.
We're going to pipe down a little bit.
Mainly for a breather. We're going to be playing a mixture of everything tonight. So we had a new album out in January called This Time. It's very time-based. And this song is called Another Day, and it's from that album.
You pass the humor for aggression. You gently lose your grip. I see through holes with intuition. As I gently take a sip, it's just a voice out there. Desperation and despair, clutching round at any cost. Catch the love you know you've lost. And now I see it's crystal clear. If I hadn't seen the light, you'd have made me disappear. You got to love yourself before you can love anybody else. You got to trust yourself before you can trust anybody else. You took me by the reins, you helped manipulate this brain to the coldness and the taking, and you made me go insane. And I cannot and I will not be the cost of victory. Lift you up if I was strong enough, if I didn't care for me. Now I see it's crystal clear. If I hadn't seen the light, you'd have made me disappear. You got to love yourself before you can love anybody else. You got to trust yourself before you can trust anybody else. You got to love yourself before you can love anybody. Never feel alone. Take the love you feel and give it back to those you know. And love you pass you for aggression. You gently lose your grip by the holes of illusion. As I gently take a sip, it's just the voice out there. Desperation and despair, clutching round at any cost. You know, catch the love you know you've lost. And now it's here, a change of mind. Keep looking at the light, let the shadows fall behind. Here comes another day, another chance for you to find your way. Take this opportunity, this turning point to prove you can be brave. You got to love yourself before you can love anybody else. You got